Hey guys, Motorboat Print Guy here. Today I'm going to be working on a 2019 Triumph Street Twin. Going to be replacing the rear shocks, stock rear shocks, putting on some Tech shocks. I just got all black. Talked to Dave there at Tech Bike Parts USA, and decided to get these. These are shorter than stock, so it's going to lower the rear of the bike. This will be particularly good for shorter riders. Even though the Street Twin is already pretty short, this will actually even make it shorter. So, some reminders when you first get these, you got to tighten things up. There's a bolt inside there. You just got to move this rubber piece out of the way, and there's that bolt inside there. I've already done it on this one. Haven't done it on the other one yet, but very important. Apparently they're fairly loose. I didn't find mine loose, but I guess for safety purposes, they want to make sure that you just check it. And then I'm going to put this rubber back down on that bolt. Okay, so that's the shock that I'm going to be doing. First thing you have to do, I guess, get your tools. I have a 10-inch wrench. 10-inch. Why do I keep saying that? 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter wrenches, spanners, whatever you want to call them. And also a 8 millimeter hex wrench. All right, I got that in both forms, and my trusty screwdriver. Get the rear foot peg off. Alright, so first thing we got to do is we got to loosen the rear muffler to gain access. You can see these on the 2019s they changed. Alright, they changed to the hex, so you can't just get your wrench down there. I'm hoping that I don't need to take the muffler completely off, but I might have to. And you see on the 2017s, probably the 2018s also, I don't know for sure, I'm guessing. 2017 has the actual regular bolt. 2019 hex. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this off to hopefully make that so I can get back there and get my Allen key in there. Okay, so let me do that real quick. Alright, then it comes to that point where it just spins, so you stick your screwdriver in there. These ratcheting wrenches are awesome. I said that in the last video, but if you don't have a set of these ratcheting wrenches, invest in a good set. I got these at Lowe's. They're, I believe this is a Husky brand. I just like them. You get whatever you want. Craftsman are great, obviously. Whatever you want. Okay, rear foot peg off. Let's see if this gives me enough room. Not even close. It's still tight. So I'm gonna have to take the mufflers off on both sides, apparently, to get at the shocks. Now to do that, I need my 10 millimeter. Hey, I said millimeter. Nice. Get it the right way. Yeah. You see what I did here? I'm doing to myself. I need to also take this bracket off. That's also a 12. You don't have this on the other side, so, but on this side you do. Wow. This is just that bracket that provides extra. So I'm going to take this muffler off. I'm going to pause the video here, take the muffler off, and then we'll get back to it. Okay, I got the rear left muffler off. Before I take the shock off, I actually just want to take a measurement here with the bike straight up to the center of the shock bolt. I want to see exactly how much lower it is. Right now it's measuring in at around 26 3/4 inches from the floor to the top of that top shock bolt. So, or the center of the top shock bolt. So, just for reference, I wanted to see how much we're going to gain here. All right, let's give this a shot. I actually like the looks of these hex, Allen key, hex bolts, whatever you want to call them. I like the looks of those better than the standard bolt. I think they look cleaner, if not more modern. I'm going to put some Loctite on these after. These are Loctited pretty good. Let's see here. It's going to probably drop down, I'm guessing. Let me get this off. I brought my rubber now, but not sure how much good that's going to do on the bottom. That's going to, yeah, you see it didn't come down too much actually. Alright, stock shock, aftermarket shock. Alright, you can see that it's at least an inch shorter. There's less spring coils. Hopefully the quality is as good. It's definitely thinner diameter. I don't know if you can see the difference, but it's definitely a thinner diameter on the aftermarket shock. And like I said, not as many coils. So, hopefully it's okay though. Alright. I believe there's washers in the kit that I have to dig out. They go in these holes here because these are actually thicker. They're thicker than the stock ones. So they make a washer that goes in here that fills up that space. So I'm gonna pause it. Let me find those. Okay, just looks kind of washed out. I'm sorry for that. I'm in the sun, even though I'm in my shed. The sun is bright. So you just take your washer and you stick it in there, and it mostly fills that gap. Loctite. You don't want to do this without Loctite. Anytime you're working with your bike, suspension, steering, anything, obviously, you want to make sure that safety is paramount. I mean, let's be honest. You want That's the most important thing. So you want to make sure that what you're doing is correct. You want to make sure that the bike is going to function as designed and done. I'm not going to nip these up all the way, not yet. I'm going to tighten them up and then stay in there, guy. Nope, okay. That's fine. You want to be like that? I'll put it on there. Put the lock. And that'll fill the gap just as easy, huh? What'd that take me? That took me, I mean, even with the time in between the cuts there to take off the exhaust, I mean, I've probably only been out in the shed for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. And there we have it, all right? I'll measure these all up after I get the other side. I mean, it doesn't make much sense to measure it up right now. But I'm going to go ahead and put this muffler back on this side, and I won't bore you with that. All right, I already showed you how to do that in my last video. So let me get that back on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got that side done. Let me flip this around, sorry. That's what it looks like. I know it's great. I think it's a good upgrade. It's going to be lower, so shorter people can put their feet on the ground. And now for this side. Alright, be right back. Okay, so we just duplicated the procedure from the other side. I took the muffler off. You only have to worry about the muffler clamp bolt and the bolt here that goes on the rear foot peg. I've already tightened up the bottom bolt here, the bottom eyelet, so we're good to go. Let's take this off. Again, these are really robust bolts. You're not going to do any damage. Well, I mean, you could, but you're going to have to work at damaging these. So let's not do that. But also, the resistance is from the thread lock. And now there's like, it looks like shavings or whatever that's, but hot powder is thread lock. Sprain your wrist. Yeah. Ow. There we go. Let's do it again. Like I said in my last video, real shade tree mechanic. But I know what I'm doing, so. You follow this procedure and it's a piece of cake. Sometimes doing mechanical work just takes some bravery. Okay, I'm going to do this. Let's see, the chain guard on this side is going to make it a little harder, isn't it? So it's going to require a different application force. This one dropped quite a bit, so it needs to be lifted. Okay. Again, need those washers, spacers, and some thread lock. So let's go ahead and put this back on. just like the other side. Put thread lock on. I need some more thread lock. I'm using glue so I can remove it again if I have to, obviously. Permanent would be bad. You want to make sure you get the right thread lock. Alright, now we can tighten this up. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm going to get the muffler back on, then we'll take a measurement, and that'll be the end of it. Alright, stand by. Alright, so shocks are both on. Let's take a measurement here. Yeah, alright. So I'm getting about 25 and a quarter, 25 and 3/8. And there you're there. So yeah. What was it before? 26 and 3/4? Inch and a half drop. I think that worked out pretty good. All right. Thanks for watching. Like it if you liked the video. Thumbs up if you liked it. And subscribe if you loved it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.